Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Explained, the channel where learning English is simple, useful, and fun. I'm Emma.
And hello, Emma, and hello to all our amazing learners joining us from every corner of the world. It's great to be here again.
Jack, you look extra cheerful today. That's a big smile.
I know. I've been daydreaming about taking a trip, a real vacation.
Yes, a holiday. Nothing makes people smile like vacation plans. Where are you hoping to go?
Somewhere warm. A beach, sunshine, maybe a coconut drink.
That sounds dreamy. But Jack, to get to the beach, you must first go through the airport.
Oh no, right. The airport. To be honest, airports make me a little nervous.
Really? Why does the airport worry you?
They're huge, crowded, noisy, and there are so many English announcements. I get overwhelmed.
That's completely normal, Jack. Airports can be confusing. But that's exactly why we're here today.
Yes, to help me and everyone watching feel confident and prepared.
Exactly. Today's lesson is all about your daily routine at the airport, every step from entering the building to stepping onto the airplane.
Step by step. I like that.
But before we begin our airport adventure, a tiny request.
Yes, if you're enjoying our lessons, please hit the subscribe button.
And give this video a big like. It helps our channel grow so much.
And share this with a friend who loves to travel. Maybe you can take a trip together.
Thank you, everyone. All right, Jack, are you ready for the airport?
Ready. My imaginary suitcase is packed.
Okay, imagine you walk into the airport. What's the first thing you notice?
A giant electronic board with city names and times.
Yes, that's the departures board.
Departures equals flights leaving. Arrivals equals flights coming in, right?
Right. So you find your flight number and it tells you which check-in counter to go to.
The long desk with airline staff?
Exactly. At the check-in counter, they ask for two important things.
My passport and my ticket or booking number.
Perfect. Then they ask about your bags.
I always get confused with this part.
It's simple. Checked bag, big suitcase, goes under the plane. Carry-on, small bag you take with you.
Checked bag, goodbye suitcase, carry on, stay with me.
Exactly. But careful, checked bags have weight limits.
Oh no, extra fees if it's too heavy?
Yes, so pack smart. The agent might also ask, window or aisle?
Window equals great views. Aisle equals easy to stand up.
Which one do you choose?
Aisle, please. My legs need space.
After check-in, you get a boarding pass.
The magic ticket to the plane. I will not lose it.
Very smart.
This is the part that scares me the most.
Many people feel that way, but if you know what to do, it's simple. Put your items in a tray, laptop out of your bag, phone, wallet, keys in the tray, belt and sometimes shoes off, no water over 100 milliliters.
So laptop out, shoes off, bottle empty. I can do that.
You walk through the metal detector and, hopefully, no beep.
Please no beep.
Now you're inside the terminal, the relaxing part. Your boarding pass shows your gate number.
Like gate C21. So I follow the signs.
Exactly. And usually you have a bit of time.
This is when I get a coffee. It's part of my travel tradition.
Mine too. Stay near the gate so you hear the announcements.
Like now boarding or delayed.
Right. On time equals good. Delayed equals late. Canceled equals very sad.
Finally, the agent says we are now boarding.
You show your boarding pass, walk through the jet bridge.
And there it is, the plane.
The flight attendants greet you. You find your seat and you fasten your seatbelt.
Click, ready for takeoff.
After landing, if you're entering another country, you go to immigration. or passport control.
They check my passport and ask questions?
Yes, usually simple questions like, what is the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay?
I can answer vacation or business and 1 week.
Perfect. After that, you go to baggage claim and wait for your suitcase.
The bag's going round and round.
Then you walk through customs and you're done.
Wow, when you explain it step by step, it feels easy.
Exactly. Just a series of small steps, and the vocabulary helps so much.
I feel so much more confident now, Emma. I think I'm ready to book that beach trip.
Where are you thinking?
Maybe Thailand or Greece,
Both amazing. Take me with you.
if you carry my bags.
Nice try, Jack.
But seriously, I hope everyone watching feels ready to travel too.
Yes, traveling is a wonderful way to practice English in real life.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat? Tell us in the comments.
Right, I prefer the window because, or I prefer the aisle because.
And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your travel buddy.
Thank you for joining us today. Safe travels, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.